Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ki sangma ulak lum ya ke jingelang bat borok ki kenhoniam ha ke jela na ke bentaban penek ya ke syongsuk syongsan hadi malami ke jingya kenat ha ke than mat pran ha kini gisngi ha kini ke jingelang melakhat Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ki sama lawan ban menta ki kenhoniam naduk ki balang Kristan beper ki Hindu ki Muslim ki Sengkasi ki Sikh bat kwe ulong bakinong yalam niam ki dei kinong yalam mensim kinla banyalam menbetin berwanra biang ya ka jingsong suk syongsan ha ke jela klem danyo ya ke no ke jat benriung ha ke bekeliang Konrad ulong baka sarkar kala thung ya ka magisterial inquiry halor kani ke jingja walada dankam kan thung ya ke judicial inquiry ru ula kentan baka sarkar kala fil kembala keno do Dr. Mukul Sama naga boong baka jingkeno Dr. Mukul Sama kadai ke babakla.
This is a situation that we are facing requires everybody to come together, and especially we had requested all our religious leaders to pray for our state and pray for our people so that peace can come back in our state, and they have been really supporting and they've been really wanting peace to come back, and they were very supportive today in the meeting. And the idea also is to see a way in which all sections of society can come together, just not now but even in the future, for different issues and different problems that the state faces, that we can all work together. And therefore it was an exercise also to reach out and get the involvement of society in general, and especially our religious leaders who are our spiritual guides, and our spiritual leaders who will be able to guide us in trying times also. So it was really a very great moment for us to be able to meet with all of them and share with them what is happening in the state, and at the same time seek for their guidance and their prayers so that things can improve in the future, and also to ensure that the role that each and every one of us can play to improve the situation overall. Number one, they appreciated that the government ensured maximum restraint, and there was no casualties such. It was difficult for the police. The police were, as I keep repeating, they were hurt a lot. But in the process, at least our citizens, it doesn't matter, which community or which religion, but our people and our citizens were protected and they were safe. And that was really what was the biggest concern of the government. And so they appreciated that, number one. And number two, they urged that obviously that in the long run also we should ensure that that this kind of peace is there, and in all situations stakeholders and different societies and groups be consulted in whatever work that we do. And they appreciated us calling this meeting and look forward, and then assured us of their guidance and their prayers in the future. Whether it is failed or not failed is not somebody individual for an individual to say. These situations are tough, and I think the former Chief Minister and the Leader of Opposition himself has gone through these phases, and therefore it would be wrong on his part to right now just look into this and say that somebody has failed. You look at the situation, how it was handled. It was a very delicate situation. It was a situation where it was very small incident was there. Though a very serious incident, was a small incident which then snowballed into something this big. So therefore I think right now what is our focus is to ensure that peace prevails, normalcy returns, and that's what we focused on.